So people, we have an update in the Natalie Dawkins case. And we are talking about the primary school teacher who was abducted from her house. And couple days after, her body was found in an advanced state of decomposition. The police claimed robbery was the motive. Listen to what Deputy Police Commissioner in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, have to say.
The JCF can now confirm that we have identified 3 persons who were responsible for the abduction, robbery, and subsequent murder of Miss Natalie Dawkins, 44 years old teacher of 29 Denby Crawl, Forepath, Clarendon. One of the 3 was taken into custody last night during an operation by the police, and vital information and exhibit were secured that we believe can assist us significantly with the case. The motive identified so far is robbery.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your Beatles fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Now, we want to talk about 3 topics in this video. And we already covered the first topic already. So let me tell you a little bit about the 3rd topic since we are going to talk about the 2nd topic. No. So people, we know the violence turn up from the other day, especially the violence against women. I have a voice note to share with you with 2 bike men stick up a female at gunpoint and demanding $1,500 Jamaican dollar from her. People, that's like $15 US. Jano Star. And that reached to we are about $15 US from helpless and vulnerable females. Jano. Anyway, we are going to talk about that later on. So let me touch back on the 2nd topic we want to discuss. One of the suspects in the Natalie Dawkins case, the one that was killed, Jeff Bedward, he was raising havoc in his community. He was giving a lot of trouble. A bad boy. He even threatened to kill his own father. So his father never necessarily want nothing to do with him. Anyway, before we play what his dad said, we are going to listen to what his aunt had to say about him.
A badness in Chuck man him bad people them. His daddy tell him saying can't turn in place. And go on so.
So his father never report him to the police?
I don't know, sir. I don't know if he report because out of my opinion, I don't know if he report.
We didn't definitely tell him he can't stay there.
Yes, he not did not end them, man. He not did it for a long time now. I don't, he not did it for a long time now. I don't shut up my father living on him left and he go stand the bay and then walk up and down and then he find himself all over bay where the mama live and then just keep moving. You know you're bad and you can't turn one place. Me tell him me no business with them no time at all. Me not even want me name. Me no want not me if he was to bury nothing. Me say me not even go home. Me no business with him. Me cut him off boop so. But that's so me no business. Me soon dead and gone.
We understand.
And me no business with him. Me no want. What the police then come about 10 of them come and 3 and this and that and me and you know them not take no argument from me when I talk to me one grandson me. But for then. And then come they know say me no business with wrong. Then they run joke me till them go. You understand me, sir? Me no business with them, sir. Me no business with them all over there. I don't all if you find them all over down there if you go talk to the woman because me no business with them. Me no business with nothing, sir. Nothing Dan Thomas, Dan Patricia Thomas. Me no business with him. Come here, me pity them and then they bought them business and they not do them business and work for themselves.
Right, work for them living. Yeah.
Alright?
Yes.
I'm going to put you I'm 51 years old. 51 years old. I'm from the command. When the president come and set the account, 30 years here. The right to the million. And nobody can look up to me and say,
You work for yourself.
Nobody.
You work for yourself.
I know. But what 2 years I'm going to see me I'm going to I'm not really want to talk to them because tell me to say, in your plans to kill me, I'm going to tell me this morning when you get it, I'm not know because you get it.
So I'm gonna plan to kill you?
Yeah. You're not telling me to. You're not killing that, me say for what?
Wow. Yes.
Pick up your clothes. Me say you should have dead again, man. You should have dead already. You should have come back and dead again. God knows me turn up so me not talk it water me water me mouth. Me a talk it deep down. You know me heart.
Whoa, that rough. Jano Star. I feel like say sometime when we cite them thing here happen still we need to involve in the authorities. You see me? I don't know. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. If the authorities them can intervene from early, it can minimize situations like these. Like what happened to Natalie Dawkins. Anyway, that's just my suggestions. People, we are going to listen to the voice note that I told you earlier about. The voice note where a man will rob $1,500 Jamaican dollar from a female. And when he done rob her, he want to offer his services as a contract killer. The man literally asks her if she not have nobody to kill, no family member or nothing. Anyway, I'm not talk about the voice note. Listen.
Yo, me do want to give the man them a drama star. Club, me I tell you say, yo, them youth there Jamaica, the man them suck completely, brother. You don't know what say? Today, Stephanie called me. And she tell me say, yo, our sister get robbed. In idea, because apparently our sister used a mechanic there at the bottom of Linders Road. I must say Linders Road? I don't know Linders Road, right, top side. The bottom part of Linders Road, top side jungle there, so. You see me? Anyway, she left him with the car to do something. And him say it's going to take longer than what him think. So she has said to herself she don't want him keep her car. She tell him to come link her at her workplace because she work on Retirement Road. And she will drop him back and next time when she have the time can left the vehicle. She do that. So she said so boom and she drive him a carry her back in him garage. Him a drive her car. She in her passenger seat. She said them a drive her go towards Linders Road and him. She said when she drive, she know she pass 2 youth on a bicycle. But she said she not pay them no mind. You see me? Anyway, boom bang, she reach at the garage now and hold on. She reach at the garage now and the man jump out of the van because she drive one of the new pair of them. Man jump out of the van and she come round for going in her passenger seat. She said by the time she reach at the door for open the door, the two boy that she see right pan her, she said she never know when them reach right round pan her from fear side, you see me? So she said she's so nervous because when she look pan them, the one that is slump on the back, must say a bike when I yang them or something. She said when I slump on the back, lift up him shirt and show her the gun and him use the gun and slap him chest like him just knock against him chest and the one where I ride, take out the gun and have the gun in him hand and I knock it with him other hand. So she said she look on them and them I look on she because she said she in a shock. She don't know what to do, you see me? Same time, the one ride said to her, say, yo, I go on mommy, everything alright? So she say, yeah, everything alright. You know, say, I look where I look at things still. So she said to them, say, look at things for what? She said, him I say one I'm bridging drop out and him I look at things for have a little drink up, you don't know him drop out and you don't know you know, kinda like a memorial type of thing. So she said, how much money say you want? The man said, him said $1,500, 15 bills. She said she just, cause her three picnic them got ill. And she said she just draw some money for pay one of them school fees. So she said she don't want go in the car and go in her bag for them follow her in the car. So she said to them, say, yo, I don't really have no money still, you know. But me can probably find a grand figure. So I must say, alright. But this is the blood tricky part now, brother. You know say when she give the man the grand, you don't know what the man asks her. The man asks her if she not nobody where she want dash way. If she not nobody where who are no money or this or and she just can't deal with it no more, she just willing to pay her money. Cause that them do. And if she not nobody at workplace where I give her a hard time, or nobody where go on like them want box bread out her mouth. You see me? She said, no, I just start work, which part I'm working, so I don't really know nobody. She said, him, I said, yeah. So you know, nobody, no family, nobody where you want to get rid of nothing. She said, no, me, everybody good. So I say, alright, mommy, me like you, you know. Me like your vibes, you know, mommy. So here what? Me I give you my number, and if anybody you want to deal with or anything you want me to deal with, just shout me. I'm here to work out something and I deal with it for you. You see me? So she said, alright then. And she said, them there, I chat a little bit until him does jump on the bike and drive off. The two of them strap. But me I said to class, I saw them man are willing if you just take people life, yeah, ride down on people with gun for $1,000, $1,500. And I saw them are willing for solicit service for do assassin work, brother, or hitman work in a broad daylight. This a man here look for rob the woman and him see him and I give him number for she call him. You see them people in no sense. My youth, I tell you this man from this man in a dog, so our country in a trouble in a brother because at the level of violence and the level of crime that has become embedded in our culture, brother. I tell you, Nina, my youth. I tell her that. She tell me I couldn't believe. I said, really? She said, Marlani, if the police even they come to me and ask me what them look like, she said she couldn't tell them. Because she said, she's so frightened, she's so in a shock. She attack and she didn't even penetrate what she say. You see me I say? But me just show you them young youth you might, and that's why police ram for dash them, my brother. And that's why them friend them ram for dash them with too. Because the man them not a sense, brother. The man them not a brain. The man them not click. And one thing alone them a click for. Them not want to work, them not want to do nothing else. Them just want to rob people and take people things. Now I tell you, brother, it's sad.
Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen. Amen. Please pray for me while me I pray for you. Amen.
People, wanted to tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. I don't think me have to comment on this or anything, you know. The only thing me can say, Jamaica need prayers. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way.